back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve this super straight and shiny hair look. Before I get started, I do want to let you guys know, if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And those of you that have subscribed, hi guys, thank you so much for following me and subscribing to me. I appreciate you guys so much. And I do have one very exciting announcement for you guys before I get started with today's video, and that is that I am now an Amazon influencer. What that means is that I now have my own Amazon page, and I have a list of things that I own or that I find useful on a daily basis, such as makeup products, makeup remover. I even have stuff for Bella, like sweaters that I've gotten her and all that stuff that's on Amazon. I also have things like my pop socket that I didn't buy at Amazon. I actually bought it at Best Buy, but they have the same exact thing on Amazon. So from now on, every single item that I mention, I will look it up on Amazon, and if I can find it there, then I will link it for you guys on every single video. Or you guys could always visit that page of mine at any time that you like, and I will post that link right here. That way you guys can click on there and see. Like, it is such a convenient thing for me to have, because now every time I mention a product, all you gotta do is go to the description box, just click on my link, and it'll take you to my list of all the products that I have, that I mentioned that I love, and you guys can purchase it right then and there instead of having to go to, like, I don't know, bestbuy.com to look for the pop socket and see if they have the same exact one. Like, from now on, you guys can just click on that link and my pop socket will be right there, or any other future pop sockets that I may have in the future. That's just an example for you guys. I will also try to find the products that I use today, the tools that I will be using for today's look. I'll see if they have it on Amazon, and if they do, I will be linking that in my list as well. But yeah, other than that, let's get started with today's video, you guys. So this is my hair literally straight out of the shower. I had my towel on for a few minutes, maybe for about 20 to 25 minutes. Typically, I really do not like to blow dry my hair. I honestly like to let it air dry. And to brush my hair, this is my hairbrush. I bought this thing a few years ago, I think at TJ Maxx. The brand is Swissco. I mean, don't pay too much attention to the brand. It doesn't matter. But I have really long hair, as you all can tell, and it is really tangled today. So I don't brush my hair until after I have blow dried it, or until after it is almost about, I'd say about 85 to 90% dry, because I have found that when I brush my hair and it's really wet, or it's still kind of moist like how it is right now, it pulls out my hair a lot and it causes a lot of fallout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow dry my hair. And this is my blow dryer. I have had this thing for like, maybe like, I want to say, I think I got it in 2011. It's 6 or 7 years. It's a Hot Tools blow dryer, and I absolutely love it. It's really beat up, but I love it, and I have a very hard time finding good blow dryers. I feel like some blow dryers, they leave my hair feeling like really like straw-like, and I hate that feeling. And this one, I'm gonna have to go ahead and speed up this part of the video because it's just me blow drying my hair, but here we go. Now that about 90% of my hair has been kind of dried, it's only moist here where I have these tangles. And the reason why I have these tangles is because I washed my hair like 2 days ago and I was too lazy to brush it and comb it and style it. So what did I do? and I don't suggest you do this, is I got my hair as it was without brushing it and just scooped it up in a bun. So that's why my hair is so super duper 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 tangled today. As you can tell, my part is naturally on my right side. I don't have to part it. So I'm gonna part this into 2 parts. And with my brush, I'm gonna start brushing from the bottom up. I used to go from like the top down, but as my hair started growing longer and longer, I find it easier to start brushing my hair, especially when it's really tangled, from the bottom up. Another thing I have noticed about my hair is that it has gotten so thin. I know pregnancy really changes your hair, but my hair is super duper duper thin. Have any of you experienced that? Like, has pregnancy changed the way your hair grows or the way your hair is now? Let me know in the comments down below if your hair has changed. We're just gonna go on to the next side, and same thing, start from the bottom up. So as you can tell, my hair is somewhat straight naturally, which is funny because when I was little, my hair was super curly. Like, my mom would make little ponytails or pigtails on me, and she would literally just go like this, and the curl would form on my hair. But now my hair is kind of frizzy a bit, and it is also very straight. This is like before I even touch it. Like, if you guys can see it. Ooh, it's super long. So now I'm gonna go back with my blow dryer, and I'm gonna finish drying off the little damp portions that I have. And now that it is completely 100% dry and I have brushed through it one more time, make sure I have no knots whatsoever, then I pick up my straightener, and this is the straightener that I use. It is an Ultra Chi hair straightener. I've had it for a few years. I love it. It really has like no temperature setting, so it's just an on and off button, and I love it. I purchased this at Ulta along with my blow dryer, but since it's been quite a while, I think I purchased both of them around the same time. It was like 2011, 2012. So I'm almost positive that they don't carry them anymore, but I will look for them on Amazon, and if I do find them, I will link them down in the description below. That way you guys can purchase them if you do like them as well. And I've had them for so long, and they've lasted me this long, and they still do the job for me. So to straighten my hair, I'm gonna part it like this, and with my hair tie or with a clip or whatever you may have, you just want to toss this up and just make sure, it just doesn't matter how you do it, just get it out of the way. Before I go through with the straightener, I will brush it out one more time just to make sure that I really don't have any knots or anything like that. Again, I'm using my viewfinder as my mirror. It doesn't really matter where you start. My hair is already pretty straight. So I'm going to put my brush, clamp my straightener, and just go all the way through. Straightening it is just really gonna, you know, smooth out any frizzies or anything that I have, which I do have. Like I told you guys, I used to have really curly hair. So I still get like baby curls at the way back of my head, like way at the bottom, or like right here on the front, in the front by my ears. But other than that, my hair is super duper kind of straight. And as far as the ends, let me show you guys. It depends on what I'm gonna do. Right now I'm just going down straight, so I just grab the straightener and I just pull it down. Sometimes I might go down, and then when I get towards the bottom I just kind of do an in curl. But today we're just going all straight, so. So now that we've done the bottom part, now I'm gonna go ahead and release the top part. Make sure that our part is still there. Brush them out. Brush this side out. And do it again. And then I just grab little chunks here and there just to make sure that everything is straightened out and make sure everything blends. And then we're gonna go in with the other side. Since I have my bangs on this side, what I do is I separate my bangs, put them on this side, and then get started on this piece first. Hold on. I had a little bang, little missing bang. Split this one into two. And last but not least, bring those bangs over here. And do the same thing with the bangs. Be careful not to burn yourself. My bangs, I will not go straight down. I do a small curl at the bottom. Just like that. And there you have it, something like that. I did this all with my viewfinder, so I think that's pretty darn good because I can't see that far. Even with contact. My bangs, I hate them. They're so fastidious, and the only reason why I have them is because, and if you've been watching my channel for quite some time, last year at this time I had bangs. I had blunt bangs, so this is the result of those bangs. Trying to grow them out, they are so annoying. For the most part, and on my everyday, hair routine, I do not add any kind of serum or anything like that to my hair. I just feel like my scalp is very, very oily, so I just feel like adding some serum or whatever is just gonna make my scalp even oilier. Is that a word? I don't know. So I don't add anything like that. So as you can see, that's just all that I did. And it just really leaves my hair really, really shiny and really straight. But yeah, if you guys want me to do a like a hair care kind of video and go through every single thing that I use, like my curling iron, and I already showed you guys my blow dryer and my straightener, but my shampoo and my conditioner and all that stuff, then let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely do that for you guys. But other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!